Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by importing your clip and placing it on the timeline. This creates a working layer. Once done, tap the clip to open layer controls and choose scale/rotate so you can manipulate framing. Make sure to set the initial frame where the zoom will start. This becomes your first keyframe. You use pinch gestures to preview 1, 2x or 2x zoom. This gives a visual baseline before adding precise keyframes for smooth motion. Now you add keyframes. Place the playhead at the start, tap the diamond icon to lock the initial frame, and then move the playhead where the zoom should finish. You increase scale via pinch or by entering exact values to avoid drift. This is why numeric precision matters for consistent results. Once the end keyframe is placed, scrub to preview the motion, then tweak easing by nudging keyframe positions so the zoom accelerates or eases. Finish by previewing the entire clip to confirm timing and framing. Make sure no subject gets cut off when the zoom hits its max. When satisfied, export using the project's resolution and bitrate so you keep quality. Higher bitrate for complex motion. If the zoom looks jittery, check that keyframes align to exact frames and avoid extreme scale jumps. You can also apply Kinemaster stabilization or slightly blur between frames to hide artifacts. Re-export and review on top.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.